Hello, my name is Dr. Ndagijimana Jean-Baptiste, Principal Investigator of Research Project called the TESER project. This project is supported by REAT project. This project has 7 co-investigators. The purpose of this project is to investigate how physical, psychological, and cultural proximities shape the social, cognitive, and the teaching presence in the technology and enhanced STEM education through community of inquiry in Rwanda. Let us start our presentation by looking at the classification of the project. So, STEM education is the key drive of socioeconomics, advancement, and the overall well-being. As a result, the government of Rwanda integrated STEM education and ICT into national education framework. The hypothesis of this project was that the more proximal an object of learning, the greater the presence in terms of social, cognition, and the teaching. The component of the community of inquiry, namely social cognitive and the teaching presence, offer a wide analytical lens to understand ways of organizing STEM education, learning, and teaching practice for mastery of learning outcomes. While proximity focuses on the nature of function of the object of learning, the concept of presence in the community of inquiry puts an emphasis on the activity of technology and enhance the learning itself and indicate how learning can be shaped among multiple members of community. It was in mathematics and chemistry. Our project explored into complexities of STEM education and examining how students' physical, psychological, and cultural proximities intersect when ICT is employed as a pedagogical tool with a community of inquiry. Through investigation, we wanted to discover partners that shed light on the complex dynamics shaping students' engagement and understanding of STEM subjects in diverse educational contexts. By integrating various disciplines and considering multiple dimensions of proximity, thus focusing on mathematics and chemistry, this study explores how those proximity intersect with ICT use in the community of inquiry by integrating GeoGebra, symbol calculator, and the faith simulation. We aim to address the challenges posed by abstract concepts in those subjects. So, consequently, our study is focused on the following specific objectives. The first objective is to assess the role of GeoGebra in enhancing Senior 1 student conceptual understanding and the achievement through social and cultural proximity. The second is to investigate the effect of faith simulation and to enhance chemistry education in lower secondary schools in Rwanda through physical proximity of learning. Third objective was to explore the role of symbol calculator software in enhancing pre-service science and mathematics education, primary teachers' conceptual understanding of trigonometry through the community of inquiry. So, to achieve the specific objectives, those TESER adopt different methodology in order to understand how physical, psychological, and cultural proximity shape the social, cognitive, and teaching presence of STEM education when ICT is used through community of inquiry in Rwanda. So those include the training of STEM teachers, where 2 teachers from lower secondary schools were trained in teaching and learning mathematics using GeoGebra. And 2 teachers of mathematics in teacher training colleges were trained using Sibolab calculator in teaching and learning mathematics. In comparison, 2 lower secondary chemistry teachers were trained in using PhET simulation in teaching chemistry.
Class again, good afternoon. Okay.
Now what are you doing here?